Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal without full verification. You can absolutely establish an account and perform several basic actions, though with specific restrictions that are important to know. We will explore the functionalities available and guide you through the simple steps to begin using the platform. Understanding these boundaries ensures you can manage your funds effectively and securely, even before full verification is completed. Without full verification, your PayPal account will operate under specific financial constraints. For instance, you might face limits on sending or receiving more than a few hundred US dollars per transaction. There are also cumulative monthly thresholds, perhaps around 1,000 US dollars, that once reached may pause further activity. Additionally, direct bank withdrawals remain unavailable until you complete the verification process. Sending money with an unverified PayPal account is possible for smaller sums. You might typically be able to send up to a few hundred US dollars in a single transaction, using funds already in your PayPal balance. If you've linked a debit or credit card, you can also use that, within similar limitations. Always double-check your recipient's details carefully before confirming any transfer to ensure your funds go to the correct person. You can indeed receive money into your unverified PayPal account, and these funds will reside securely in your PayPal balance. However, there is usually a cumulative receiving limit, possibly around 500 or 1,000 US dollars, that will trigger a verification request once reached. At this point, you will need to complete verification to continue receiving or withdrawing funds. Remember, these funds cannot be directly transferred to an outside bank account without that full verification step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.